On this never-ending quest of evolution, what is our final form, if there is one? I do not know if there is a final stage to evolution. However, I do know that there are potential stages beyond our present human form. I believe we are all naturally born telepathic, but that society conditions us to pretend this is just a false belief. Therefore, humanity is already in a state of contrived neoteny, where mankind's natural psychic powers are artificially suppressed. Therefore, the next obvious stage of evolution likely for mankind is regaining our psi potential, giving us the ability to read each other's minds, to communicate non-verbally to other species of animal, to understand the expressions of plants, to decode the long-lost messages encrypted in the hexagonal cells of quartz crystals, and etc. Following such mind reading comes, via mind writing or mind control, telekinesis, the ability to move inanimate objects with your mind alone. Beyond this, at some distant point in humanity's future, comes mental-only instantaneous manifestation, the ability to manipulate matter energy from a subquantum level, allowing for teleportation, rearrangement of present elements, and the combination of both these abilities, all to allow the existing biology of the human brain to project or broadcast its mind over matter signal and make something out of nothing. Up to the point of subquantum manifestation, we are already currently designing robots that could be capable of supplementing or substituting for our own brainwaves involvement in this process. However, what lies beyond even this level remains the stuff of inspirational fiction, namely the soul. A soul, the aura of the living body, can become detached from its host and astral travel in its form as an atman or energy double. This soul can also manifest its own physical body to inhabit. At this point, the appearance of the human body becomes absolutely arbitrary and bound solely by the imagination of those souls who survive at that time. Beyond even the concept of an energy being that can manifest its own body, there remain more possibilities for evolution. But by this point, the biochemical is wed to the photoelectric so much they are indistinguishable apart from one another. Theoretically, the most high life form in the local universe is the universal brain itself. That is, the structure of the intergalactic plasma filaments in the local universe, resembling the neural networks of cerebral cells inside our own brains, may be more than a mere coincidence, and possibly indicate that the local universe itself is simply one enormous brain, inside of which our own planet and everyone and everything on it is only the most minute grain of sand lost in the midst of this. In that case, hyperspace would be the equivalent for the universal brain of what the mind is for our own brains, or more exactly, hyperspace is the aura or soul of the local universe, just as the ionosphere for Earth or the photosphere for the sun.